business, I had to get used to that not everyone would like us and some people will get upset. So one person of the 10 people that I brought along and gave them a discount and I got a free ticket, when they found out that I got a free ticket, they got upset. And I said, how dare you? I'm like, what? Well, you got a free ticket. I'm like, you got a discount. So what? It's a win-win. And they went, no, it's rude. You should have paid as well and share your discount with us. It's fascinating how people don't want you to win. People don't want you to win. People want to keep you low as possible so it's a win for everyone, yeah? I could have said, you know what, don't give them a discount, just give everything to me and give me that money, that or discount to me. I could have done that. But I said, no, I wanted a win-win for everyone. So in that moment was the biggest lesson of my business when I had to let go and go, you know what, I'm gonna upset people because people are in their head. And if they're in the head, then they're not gonna grow out of it, and it's not about me. I just need to let them go and move on. And these people, I promise you, they followed me and followed me and followed me and never came to anything of my stuff. And a year later, when I was successful, they called my assistant and they said, we are very close friends with Francesca, we wanna come to the workshop for free. Really? And my sister said, yeah, sure, it's $87. And they said, but we are very close friends with Francesca. And she said, well, you need to pay. And guess what? They didn't come. Fascinating, isn't it? So I learned how to just let people behind and just keep moving forward. The right people will follow you and the wrong people will stop following you.